Hey there, Leslie here. Well, here's the question. Are you complaining or are you a problem solver? And this is what the hiring attorney needs from you, that you become a major problem solver and not one who is whining, complaining about things or not solving problems and letting everything fall through the cracks. That's the opposite of what they need. So when you start to solve some problems, we're going to talk about some of the problems. That is a great picture that the hiring attorney gets of who you will become once you land, they give you the job and you start working and figuring out things on your own. When the attorney and your fellow coworkers do not have time to train you, okay? So you have to take the bull by the horns, so to speak, when it comes to your training and go after it. So be sure you go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com and look under the Paralegal Resource Hub for the playbook. Get that playbook, and in the middle of one of the pages, it'll teach you how to research paralegal duties. So important. Look under all of the tabs, by the way. It's all for beginners. So here are some of the complaints. The hiring attorneys just want experienced paralegals. That is totally untrue. Now, some advertise for that, but others are willing to accept someone who is totally inexperienced, okay? Now, I want you to watch yesterday's video, okay? The video that I did right before this one. It's on YouTube at Paralegal Career Mastermind. It's also, if you haven't visited that YouTube channel, please do. That's mine. So look at that video. It's in sequence right behind this one. That's not true. That'll give you a lot of information. The other complaint is I put out all this effort. I went through a 2 or 4 year program, or I did the certificate program, or I have a degree in something else, or I've been in another career for many years and I don't feel prepared. Well, if you go through my workbook, and especially the page about paralegal duties, it's in the middle of the page, and do that homework, that research, and learn some of those duties, you'll feel much more prepared. You're afraid, you're complaining because, I'm just basic in Microsoft Word and I don't know what to do. You're a problem solver, right? You've got to up your game. When you're on my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, I want you to look under advanced skills. Great link there for you. All right. Have a great day.